Turning research into real-world practical impact can be a challenge, especially when it comes to reaching the market. Booster's core support service, Go-to-Market, helps researchers and innovators take the next step by focusing on how their work can deliver value outside the lab. Together with Booster experts, you'll identify your most promising results. These are called key exploitable results, and you'll explore how they can meet real-world needs. Built around a series of hands-on modules, the service includes practical guidance such as refining your value proposition, understanding the market, building an exploitation strategy, and drafting a solid business plan. You'll also get advice on funding and how to connect with the right partners. Booster's go-to-market service is a tailored and co-creative process designed to fit your project's goals and maturity. It will help ensure your research doesn't stop with publication, but continues its journey as a product, service, or solution that makes a difference. Learn more about the Booster services and apply by visiting our website www.horizonresultsbooster.eu.